What's up? What's up? What's up? Of course, it's me, your boy Richie Rich at Consumer Appliance Report. Shoot another awesome video, cause that's what we do. Man, what's up? What's up? You know, Consumer Appliance Report, we review appliances. Today we're gonna focus on a Maytag top load wash machine. Alright, so this portion of the video is just an introduction to the appliance that we're going to work on. You already know from checking out our videos, man, we review appliances. We're going to break it down into 4 components. First of all, we're going to talk about the price, how much it's going to cost you. We're going to talk about the repair cost, parts cost per repair, how much it's going to cost you to repair the appliance if the appliance does break. We have the warranty, the manufacturer warranty, and we also have the functions and the features. Man, you know that's most of my favorite part. But this particular Maytag wash machine is really old school. It looks like it's from about 20 years ago. No real information on it outside of the functions and features and warranty stuff that you get with this appliance. So we got to go into the lab, dissect this appliance, find out exactly what can it do, combine all the information that we have found, give it an overall review, and let you know if we recommend this appliance or not. But you already know who I am, man. I'm your boy Richie Rich from Consumer Appliance Report. You help me, I help you. We both help each other. Till next time, I'm out of here. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.